On clear summer days and nights, we can always hear the chirping of crickets outside. In this lesson, let's get into the world of Orthoptera. There are more than 20,000 species of Orthoptera in the world, and more than 2,000 species of Orthoptera in China. Most of them are herbivorous, a few are carnivorous, among which locusts are the most, and the harm is the greatest. The largest locust flight in history was in 1889. Some 250 billion desert locusts flew across the Red Sea, covering an area equivalent to 86% of the entire area of Shanghai and weighing 508,000 tons. In addition, Orthoptera insects are common to us, such as crickets, mole crickets, and katydids, called katydids in the north. The main forms of Orthoptera insects are chewing mouthparts, with a hard and developed upper mouth, used to bite food and swallow it. Roots, stems, leaves, fruits, and seeds are their food. The forewings are leathery, covered, and the hind wings are membranous, longitudinally fan-like under the forewings. When flying, their hind wings spread out, providing powerful power. But when it rests, it folds up and covers the underside of the forewings. Some species, such as mole cricket foot tibial swelling, specialized into digging feet, suitable for digging. The hind feet of most species form jumping feet. The male external genitalia is usually covered by an enlarged ninth segment web. The female ovipositor is well developed in the shape of a knife, sword, or cone. The auditory organ is located on the tibial or first abdominal segment of the forefoot. The males of most species have articulators in which their left and right wings rub together or their hind legs rub their wings together. Orthoptera insects are typical terrestrial species. Grasshoppers live on plants, locusts live on plants or on the ground, crickets live under soil rocks, and mole crickets live in the soil. Most species are phytophagous, especially the leaves of plants. Few species of Tatigonidae are carnivorous, feeding on other insects and small animals. Locusts are active during the day. The katydids, crickets, and mole crickets are active at night and have strong phototaxis. Gradual metamorphosis. Nymphs are generally 5–7 years old, and wing buds appear in the third age. In many species, males can pronounce words to attract females to mate and are known as songworms. Most of them are monochemical or dichemical. Most of them lay eggs in summer and autumn, overwinter with eggs, hatch in April to May of the next year, and develop into adults in June to July. In the nymph stage, some locusts will form a high density of colonies and carry out long-distance migration. The common defensive behaviors of Orthoptera insects are protective coloration, mimicry, and self-mutilation. The color of the phytogenic species is similar to the habitat, or the shape is similar to leaves, twigs, bark, etc., in order to hide the body and avoid the enemy. When it is captured or encountered enemy damage, it often breaks off between the leg and trochanter of the jumping foot and escapes, but the broken foot generally cannot be regenerated. Most species of Orthoptera are phytophagous insects, and many of them are important pests of cultivated plants. Some species, such as the East Asian migratory locust, can migrate in large groups over long distances, thus increasing the severity of the harm. Some species can make a moving song, such as a katydid and cricket. Some species, such as crickets, are aggressive. Some species have strange morphology, such as Philetetta. These insects are of great ornamental or cultural value. That concludes our presentation on Orthoptera. Thank you.